One quantum computing company just showed up on Amazon's latest 13F filing and is turning heads. In this video, I'll reveal which company caught Amazon's attention and also share another stock they invested in last quarter that's starting to look interesting. But as always, this video is for educational purposes only. This is not financial advice. Always do your own research and understand the risks before making any investment decisions. With that being said, let's get started. First up, the only stock on Amazon's latest 13F filing is IONQ. They bought almost 1 million shares of this stock worth over $36 million. IONQ is currently trading around $73, and it might look familiar if you've been watching the channel for a while because we looked at it in July, this video specifically, and since then the stock price has climbed about 60%. Quantum computing is a topic I've been covering on this channel for quite some time, so it's really interesting to see Amazon jumping in as well. But before you rush out and buy, there are a few important things to keep in mind. First, does Amazon investing mean IONQ will continue going up forever? Absolutely not, which is why it's crucial to watch out for potential resistance levels, the points where the price could hit a ceiling and where you might want to consider taking some profits. So where exactly are these levels? To find out, we can use the Fibonacci extension tool, which looks like this, and the way it works is as the price starts climbing up, these levels are where we tend to see the price find resistance. So we usually tend to see the price go up to one of these areas, pull back a little bit, go up to the next level, pull back, and so on. Knowing this, investors using this tool like to lock in some profits around these key areas, which enables them to secure some gains and also buy back at a discount if the price retraces. So based on this, what are some areas where we could see IONQ find some strong resistance and where you might want to consider taking some profits? The first price target is going to be around here, which is $92.73. The level above this is around here, which is $101. And the third price target is going to be up here, which is $127. There are some price targets above these three as well, and I'll talk more about those in future update videos as the price approaches these three targets. It's important to remember these are not guaranteed to be hit. They're targets based on the Fibonacci, meaning if the price starts climbing up, these are the areas where we could see strong resistance. So locking in some profits around these areas could be an exit strategy you might want to consider. Having an exit strategy is very important as it enables you to make the most of runs like this, and it also gives you opportunities to take profits before heavy retracements. The only thing worse than not taking profits when the price is up here is initially getting in here and watching the price plummet straight away. This does not feel good, but there are tools we can use to reduce the chances of situations like this happening. And one of those tools is the Fibonacci retracement, which looks like this. And the way it works is as the price starts retracing, these levels of the Fibonacci are where we tend to see the price find support before it bounces back up. And knowing this, investors using this tool like to either buy or dollar cost average down around these key areas, which enables them to have an average entry price as close to the bottom of the retracement as possible. So based on this, what are some areas where you might want to consider either getting into IONQ or potentially adding more to your position? The first entry point is going to be around here, which is $60.39. The level below this is going to be around here, which is $55.47. And the third entry point is going to be down here, which is $50.55. So initially getting in at the higher Fibonacci level and dollar cost averaging down at the lower levels if this retracement continues down to these could be an entry strategy you might want to consider. Now, if you're thinking, okay, these entry points and the price targets make sense, but I don't have the time to constantly keep an eye on the price to catch it when it hits one of these key levels, then don't worry because I've got a free solution for you. I've got this free service that you can sign up for, and I'll send you alerts as soon as the price hits one of our entry points and also our price targets completely for free. For example, here's what the chart looked like when I previously spoke about IonQ. On the 19th of August, we saw the price hit the entry point and an entry alert was sent out on the same day. Big shout out to you if you caught this because IonQ is up almost 100% since then. The link to join this is going to be in the description below, but don't worry about signing up now. Feel free to continue watching this video and I'll remind you about it at the end. So IonQ was the only purchase from Amazon this quarter. Moving on to the stock they bought last quarter, which is AMD. It's currently trading around $164 and Amazon bought around 800,000 shares for around $84 million. To get some price targets for AMD, we can use the Fibonacci extension tool again, which looks like this, and some areas that you might want to consider using as price targets are going to be the following. The first level is going to be around here, which is $212. The level above this is around here, which is $249. And the third exit point is going to be up here, which is $356. From where it currently is, if we were to see the price climb up to this level, we're looking at an upside of around 116%, which is pretty good, but it can be even better if we can secure some cheaper entries. So let's now take a look at the Fibonacci retracement for AMD to get some entry points. Here's what that's looking like, and some areas that you might want to consider using as entry levels are going to be the following. The first level is around $140. The level below this is going to be around here, which is $120. And the third entry point is going to be down here, which is $91. I will be making update videos on these two companies as the price approaches our key areas. So if you'd like to stay up to date, consider subscribing to the channel. I'll also be bringing you the best investment opportunities multiple times a week, so that's another reason to subscribe. Also, if you found this video helpful, please consider dropping a like on the video as that helps out the channel a lot. And as promised, here's your reminder to sign up for the free alerts. The link to join this is going to be in the description below. If you have any thoughts on these two companies or want to share some stocks that have been catching your attention recently, feel free to leave those in the comment section below. It would be good to learn about those. If you'd like to watch another video where I talk about some stocks JP Morgan Chase has quietly loaded up on, feel free to click on the video that's currently on your screen. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.